Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Secrets Puerto Los Cabos Golf and Spa Resort. This particular category is a junior suite oceanfront. It's a preferred club as well, and I'll talk about that as we tour. So as soon as you walk in the door, right next to it, you're gonna have your Do Not Disturb Makeup Room sign. I like that you can click that inside. You don't have to worry about putting something outside. Now right here to my right is a signature. It's the Secrets box. What that is, it's how they deliver room service. So essentially you can order the room service, and then if you have to run out or you're out on the patio, you don't have to worry about missing them. They'll deliver it right here for you, let you know that it's there, and you can grab it at your leisure. Continuing into the bathroom, I did want to point out that this door does shut completely and that there's a full-size mirror on the back. Now, as soon as you come in, you can see that this has a huge double vanity. So there's a vanity over here. You've got your hair dryer. You also have the incense, a signature of Secrets. My wife and I did our honeymoon at Secrets over a decade ago, and we love that every time we come back, you light that, you get that smell that brings the memory right back. Now on the other side, you have the other huge vanity. This one's quite a bit bigger. You've got the upgraded bath amenities that come with being a preferred club room. You've got your scale underneath there and a little chair that pulls out so that you can sit and get ready, and then a nice magnified backlit mirror as well. Your toilet is over here to the right. Once again, the door that shuts off completely, and you have this large soaking tub right here. It's huge and it's big enough for even me to fit in. Now let's head into the shower. It's a really large shower. I'm a big guy. I can move around. I really appreciate that. You've got your rainforest shower head up above. And because it's so high up there, you really get that wonderful rainfall effect. You also have your shower wand right here, your soaps, and then right here you've got your clothesline so you can hang that bathing suit up to dry. Now let's head into the bedroom. I just wanted to point this feature out. It's a beautiful feature, but essentially you have this sliding barn door that can close off if you want that light coming into the bathroom, or if you want a little extra privacy, you can shut that off. You've got a nice love seat right here, perfect to sit and get ready or relax and read a book. And then right next to your bed, you have a plug. I always bring an extra USB splitter, therefore, that way I can charge all my devices at one time. Now right next to it, you're gonna have your fan controls. I love that they have a fan in here. I always love to have the air moving when I'm sleeping. Personally, I turn the fan on, open up those windows with the beautiful ocean out in front of you, shut the screen, and you get that phenomenal breeze as well. In addition, you're also gonna have your temperature control right there. It's right next to the bed. Perfect spot so you can turn the temperature down in the middle of the night after your spouse already turned it up. Continuing along, across you're gonna have your storage. So as I open it up here, you see you have storage up above. You have your hanging storage. You also have an iron and ironing board. And underneath, you're gonna have your spa robe and slippers. Now they have a wonderful spa here on site. I highly recommend that you check it out while you're here. But if you wanna see what that space looks like, or any space on the resort, make sure you check out our full resort tour where we have it all documented. You have your safe, big enough for a laptop, and a little more storage. Continuing along, you can see your full king-size bed with a little bench seat at the end, perfect place to sit and put your shoes on. Right here, you're gonna have your luggage storage. I like that they have the drawers right underneath so you can unpack and put it right in there. Now underneath here, you're gonna have your mini bar. It's fully stocked upon arrival. They'll replenish it every single day. And because it's a preferred club room, you're also gonna have some extra snacks and alcohol amenities. On this side, you're gonna have your glassware, your cups, and things like that for the Nespresso maker or for your mini bar. You've got this great Nespresso maker right here. They'll replenish it as often as you like throughout your stay. I start my day with an espresso at home, so I really like that they have it here. You have your large flat panel TV, which in addition to being a television, you can also check the different menus and things like that, the activities, and you can also see room service on there. Continuing along, you have a small writing desk. This is perfect if you have to work on vacation, as I often do. You got the nice chair there. And I wanted to point out that on the lamp, they also have 2 US plugs if you want to take advantage of those. Continuing along to the other side of the bed, you've got plugs just back here. You also have this great tablet, and I wanted to point out that there's 2 USB chargers. Now this tablet you're gonna find at every Secrets resort. It's replaced the guide. So essentially if you wanna find any information about the hotel, the services, the spa menu, you can utilize this for that. Or you can also order right here off of room service. I know every time I call room service, my wife changes her mind about 5 times. So this way I just hand her the menu. She orders, it's delivered directly to our Secrets box. We get to have an even better vacation. So as we head out to the oceanfront veranda, I just wanted to show you that this does close. You've got this screen that closes off right here. So once again, you can take advantage of that amazing breeze. They do have a light out here. You see you have your 2 chairs and a table. Perfect place to take advantage of that complimentary 24-hour room service menu or have a cocktail in the evening, cup of coffee in the morning. Now, one of the signatures of the Preferred Club that they have here is that they have this jacuzzi soaking tub on your balcony. I love this. You can sit there, soak maybe a glass of champagne, wine, cocktail, and look at this amazing view. This is oceanfront, and from the 4th floor here, wow. Now, one of the reasons that I love these oceanfront rooms is, of course, the incredible views, but during whale watching season, January and February, there's nothing cooler than watching the whales breach in the distance. And, well, this is a Preferred Club room. I talked about it earlier on, but I wanted to point out those amenities. As soon as you check into the resort, they're gonna take you from the main lobby, whisk you right past the general check-in, right down to the Preferred Club lounge. There, the concierge is gonna check you in, go over all the details, but it's a wonderful experience to have a cocktail, relax as they get you set to start your vacation. Now, that same lounge you can utilize as often as you like throughout your stay here. It's a beautiful little lounge, kind of like a living room area at home, and they have an upgraded alcohol menu in the bar. I love that, so you can get those drinks that you really love, and that bartenders are always fantastic. In addition to that, you're gonna have the Preferred Club pool. It's wrapped all the way around the Oceana restaurant, so you get these beautiful infinity edge terraces just available for those in Preferred Club rooms. And in addition to that, you're gonna have the Oceana restaurant for breakfast every single day, at a la carte menu, once again, just for Preferred Club guests. So when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any suite at Dreams or Secrets, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your AM Resorts experts. We know the spaces inside and out, and we know that we can help craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, and your family at an incredible value.